behind. While Chris is tuning up, I'll just, I did a lot of research, as you know, about Roger and also Chris, so I'm very delighted to introduce our next performer, Chris Parfitt. I'm just going to read you some things about him. He is a Kiwi legend and icon of New Zealand entertainment. Since the 1960s, he's been a member of various successful bands. As a talented bass guitarist and as lead vocalist, was the face and name of the Hi-Revving Tongues, with a successful recording career. He's appeared on TV's Come On with host Pete Sinclair, with the Cossacks as a bass player, and later appeared with the Hi-Revving Tongues as their frontman, performing their #1 hit Rain and Tears on the TV show. They went on a national tour in New Zealand featuring Johnny Farnan and Larry's Rebels, and performed before Prince Charles and Prince Anne at Western Springs. Chris wrote the song Tropic of Capricorn, which was the title of their album. They also had a residency in Sydney for 8 months, which was actually part of, when they won the Battle of the Bands, that was part of their prize to sail over to Sydney, which is great, where they had residency over there. And they had a spectacular show, probably one of the best around at the time. He's recently released a solo album called Beyond the Blue Wall. His phenomenal music career spans 6 decades in New Zealand and Sydney, where he lived for 10 years. He is currently in 3 bands, including a 60s covers trio, playing double bass with Roger Skinner and Roger and the Ramjacks. Please put your hands together for Chris Parfitt.
Okay, we'll start off with a good old Roy Orbison song. I think everyone likes Roy. Working all day till the sun don't shine, trying to get by, but I'm just wasting time. I feel the rain all over my roof, trying to get to you, California. Every day I